Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to model the treasure chest. Uh, for this, first of all, we needed our reference which we have made. So here I'm using a simple software called PureRef. This PureRef will actually allow me to keep my reference always on top. Okay, so here is the PureRef. I'm going to drag my sketch over this. Okay, that is it. Just double click over the ref. Perfect. Now you can right click over the pivot ref, then go to the mode and just check this always on top on. Okay. So this is basically very handy. I am using this bit now since a long. So let's start. Okay. So let's look into the Maya. I'm keeping it somewhere around here. Okay. Okay, so how I'm moving this? I'm moving this with my right mouse button. Okay, yeah, you can place it anywhere you like. I'm just placing it down somewhere. Yeah, okay. So let's start the modeling. Okay. So first, I'm going to model the iron armature of this treasure chest which we have designed. If you want, you can zoom it. Always pretty handy. Okay, so I'm going to design the armature of this treasure chest. So how I'm going to do this? That I am going to model all the parts separately. Okay, so if by what do I mean by modeling all the parts separately? It means that I will model this square separately, the upper square separately, the upper curve separately, and these lots and everything which is there in the shape of metal. We are going to then model them separately. So it will give us a freedom of texturing them all independently, and that will also save our time because for gaming, this is something which is very useful, that you can actually model the things separately and keep the polys as much low as possible. Okay, so here I'm starting this now. Let's take a cube. Okay, cube, the basic cube. The top view. I'm just scaling it as per the shape I need. Okay. So there are no specific dimensions, although I'll definitely going to keep in mind the relative proportions, that how it is going to be in proportion with the character. Okay, so oh, sorry. Sure. So now, you could have taken a plane as well, but I have taken box cube. Okay. So we are going to go to the face mode. Let's select the face and start extrude. Shift right click extrude face. Here we are going to offset just to give this a thickness. This much is the thickness is. Okay, fine. And as I also wanted to give the inside depth of the iron armature, so I'm going to press G for using the extrude tool again. Okay, it is not happening, so I'll take extrude again, extrude face, and you can always move downward. Just go to the front view. Move. Okay, yeah, this looks pretty okay to me, right? Okay, so now you can delete the lower face. Look, yes, we have to delete this as well. So this is the shape. Okay. Let's go to the object mode again. Take a duplicate copy of this, Control D, and move it upward. right. Okay. So I'm just going to hide this in a layer for a while. Okay, I'm now going to shape this one further. Fine. So what do I need? I need this shape, the shape where the lock is going to get fixed. Okay. So I'm let's go to the edge mode. Select an edge. Control right click. Go to edge utilities. Edge rig split. So here I got the edge right in the center. Right. So let's go to the front again. Double click the edge loop. Now bevel the edge. So now I can actually define where the size of the lock, where the size where the lock is going to get fixed. Okay. Okay. I think this looks okay to me. Yeah. Sure. Let's add some segments in between. 1, 2. Okay. 2 window. Fine. Perfect. Okay. Vertex mode. Select these 2 vertices. Sorry, these 4 vertices. Now move them down. Look how easy it is. Anyone can do this. It is not that difficult. Huh? It just looks like. Right. Okay. So this one is done. So in blocking, we are not going to detail it. Blocking means blocking, that you just need to put the things together and define a shape. Okay. Fine. Now let's go to the top view again. I'm taking a cube for one of its leg. Okay. I'm placing it here. Scale this down as per the armature. Okay. You can always make it a little smaller. Right. So let's go to the vertex mode. Select these 2 vertices, move downward. Perfect. Look how easily we are doing it. This is not at all tough. Very easy. We can easily duplicate it. Probably let's refine it a bit actually. Let's switch on the wireframe. Okay. I am just scaling this down. I'm doing some of the modifications which I would like to do, and just scaling this a bit. Okay. Yes, something like this. Yes. Okay, I wanted to duplicate this to the other side. So what I will do, I will switch my anchor. What do you call it? That is, this is a pivot. Okay. So I'm switching my pivot by pressing D and snapping it on the grid by pressing X. How easy it is. Okay, so here I have a shelf which I usually I have kept some of the tools which I generally use. So here one of the tool is history, delete by type history, and freeze transformation. Okay, so I have just freeze transformed the values. I'll press Ctrl D for duplicate and I'll enter -1 in the x-axis of scale. Voila, done. Perfectly all right, right? The same way you can duplicate it to the back side, the other side. Okay, this time I'm going to group them, Control G and Control D for duplicate, and I'll scale it in the Z direction, -1. Wow, it's बहुत आसान है, right? Perfect. Okay. So remember, I have kept the duplicate copy of this. Okay, so I'm using it again. This time again. Just select this, Control D, take a duplicate of this and move it down. Oh, look how is it? Okay, just remove this little guy from the layer. Okay, right click, remove selected object. So it is done, easy man. It's done, almost done. Okay, if you wanted to scale it a bit, you can scale, always scale. Okay. But here I'm not going to scale because I need to make the lower these pillars sort of a thing, which will actually give this solidity, which will actually help in giving some solid kind of a look. I think you are able to understand now that how we are doing it. Okay. Let's close this. I think we should close this. So how we are going to close it? Go to edge mode, double click. Okay, let's isolate this. Okay. If you wanted to close, we have several options. Okay. This is one mistake which we have made. Okay, now we need to close this. How we are going to close it? Okay, okay. Okay, so let's use some tools. Okay, let's go to the modeling, edit mesh, append to poly. Okay, let's click over this, and then this. Look how easy it is. We can do it easily. Yes or not? Yes, of course. Let's take the tool again. G. Wow, it's so easy. Okay. So meanwhile, let me finish this. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.